G'day, it's Justin Picker with a quick video today just on the Picker Financial Solutions app that we've been able to launch. I wanted to give you an overview of this app and obviously the insights on how this can help you with your wealth building journey. So it's another tool that we just want to add in our arsenal for our clients and future clients as well to keep you motivated and on track and up to date with where you sit on your finance journey. So as we can see, there's a few different icons here that we can click on, and I'll go through each of these and just explain how these can help you. So first one is going to be our net worth. Net worth obviously is how many assets we hold and the liabilities that we have against that. In this instance, I've only just added a couple of assets being properties, but you can certainly add a lot of things in here: your home, investment properties, bank accounts, your cars, boats, super, portfolios, investments if you own a business, whatever it is, shares, your home and contents, everything like that you can add in. And also your details as well. So it's a really, really handy tool for you to know exactly where you sit. And even if the bank balance is sitting pretty low, if we're buying assets, they're going to be increasing in value. That's certainly what we're looking for here. So to add a home, you can just put in the address of whatever it might be. And I'll give you an example of 1 Smith Street, just to see what comes up there. I've already added this in previously, so you can certainly have a look at your net asset position here, what that property is worth, and it will link to RP data so you can see the data trends and all those type of things as well. So if you've got 1 or 2 or 10 investment properties, it's really, really good to see the insights of what's happening in those areas, and something that will make sure that your net wealth is increasing. Also, we can look at those investment properties too. Here's also another example. Again, we can put in the suburb insights, the details, etc., and all those type of things so you can see what that's all going for. So really, really handy for that. One thing we can do here too is put in the bank accounts. So if you want to put in all your banks, if you've got multiple bank accounts, multiple offsets, you can track all of that information. Same with your motor vehicles as well. So if you've got an Aston Martin as an example, lucky you, but you can certainly put in these details here, all that type of stuff, and it can kind of give you an example of how much that might cost, as an example. So yeah, it'd be lucky if we could have one of those vehicles, but it links with that to give you an estimate of what that might be worth in today's market. Then obviously you've got superannuation, if you want to add that in here too, and all those other aspects. So it will link with all the big players and keep that all in the one area, which is great. If you really want to do a deep dive into that, you can generate wealth reports. We'll give you a nice PDF of where it's all sitting and how it's all tracking, and then really look at those cash flows as well. And obviously where we can come in, if you need any assistance with any of these throughout, if you just prefer to use the app and give us a notification, we can reach out to you, which is great. If you prefer to book an appointment, have a bit more of a scheduled time, come through to the website. You can obviously pick the time frame that works best with you, and also meeting the team as well. So obviously our team in business is growing. If you need to reach out to us, our details are here. You may have spoken to Min previously, you might have spoken to Steve. All of those details are here for you as well, which is fantastic. Also got the socials down the bottom there as well, so you can keep up to date with anything that does pop up, and also calculators. So this could also save you a bit of time when it comes to making your next move or decision. There might be a few options that we have available here. So it does link to the various websites, and you can certainly put in the numbers, figures, calculators, etc., which is really, really helpful as well. And then also to do. So if you've got specific goals or actions that you need to do, getting a tax return done, buying another investment property, whatever it is, we can link with that as well and help you get to where you need to be. We've also got links to the website, Google reviews if you want to throw a thumbs up, and also we'll have some educational content with the property investing course, and also with that signed credit guide. If we need to run a credit check for you, we essentially just need this document signed in order for us to do that. So that can be done, using Adobe Sign here, putting in your details, and making life a bit easier as well. So just trying to get all the bits and bobs of technology, getting it in one easy place for you so that you can keep on the straight and narrow with your wealth building, but also to reach out to us if you need anything. So it's taken a bit of time to get this all together, but I'm super excited to share it with you. We'll have the links to this, which you can obviously use yourself, send to your friends, family, any other person that might find this interesting. And we really hope that this allows you to build your wealth and keep on your investing journey. So once again, thank you for your support. And without your support, we wouldn't be able to get projects like this underway. But I hope that it's helps you in your journey. And we look forward to working with you as we go forward. Thanks again.